This assessment asks us to rank the 5 molecules shown in order of their solubility in water from least soluble to most soluble. We'll use the scale here that 5 represents the least soluble and 1 the most soluble. The first molecule we notice is lithium chloride, actually an ionic compound. As an ionic compound, lithium chloride is going to dissociate in water and will therefore be the most soluble compound. The remaining 4 are all covalently bonded, and so we can't use the idea of ionization. Instead, what we're going to notice is that the hydroxyl group here in methanol can form hydrogen bonds with water. That's going to make methanol the second most soluble compound. If we compare C, D, and E, we'll note that C and E are both alkanes with no other electronegative atoms attached, but D is fluoromethane having the electronegative fluorine. This is going to make fluoromethane a somewhat polar compound and therefore the next most soluble in water. Between the two alkanes, we're going to fall back to size. Ethane is a smaller alkane and is going to be slightly more easily solvated than the larger pentane. And so ethane is the 4th most soluble, pentane, the larger alkane, more difficult to solvate, will be the least soluble in water.